Hey folks, Shane with RV with Tanners, and today we're going to install a new set of staircase in our trailer. The factory staircase is nice, but it gets a little wiggly. So I'm going to install one from Lippert. It's their solid step. I'll show you that in a moment. But if you kind of come over here, we're going to show you, I've done a little bit of work ahead of time. So we've already removed the staircase here. And so what I'll probably end up doing is putting a box there, a storage box, because the new set of stairs will actually go into the opening of the door and they'll come out, and we'll show you that in a second. But we're going to come over here. So here's the stairs we're going to put in here. What they do is they come out of the trailer without any kind of folding, so then they retract back up in. Might get a little dirt in there, but that's okay, we can sweep it out. But the idea is it's really, really solid. So if you take a look at this, the step itself here, the top step, is double wide. Here's the standard step. So they've added an extra, it looks like about 5-6 inches here, to make that first step really solid and wide when you come out and you go back into the RV. So you have more ability to be balanced correctly. And then you have the standard stairs here. We'll show you a little bit more of that when we get and when we're over and it's installed. But I kind of want to show you what it looks like when it's not installed in the RV. Okay, as with most projects, there's always a little hiccup. So we had a little hiccup. Come on in, Melinda. I'll show you what's going on. So right here with our staircase, it kind of came out too far, so we had to do a little customization to it. So that's okay because Melinda's been asking me for a long time to modify these staircases to make them hardwoods. So this gives me a great opportunity to just get the stairs in today, and then we're going to take the carpet off and then make these into a hardwood stairs. We had to take our threshold gap off, this part. It went like that. It worked good to sweep the dirt out because that was interfering with the actual plate here. So on a temporary basis, what I've done is we put a couple screws in just to hold it down temporarily while we opened it and closed it a couple times. Made sure it latched properly. You can see right now that it's latching. Come on in here behind the door. So this goes up against the door frame, and then this latch is what holds it in place. As you open and close it, it clicks right into place there. So that's your safety latches, one on each side. So the next thing we're going to do is just finish the installation by adding the additional 6 nuts and washers in there, and it should be almost done. You can see the steps are installed. What's really nice about this one, I talked about it earlier, but this extra wide step at the top. We have my model here, Melinda. Come on out, Melinda. Awesome. I'm a little bigger guy. I'm going to show you me going up. Really, really nice. Coming down. As you can see, the trailer didn't move at all. Alright, so that's about a wrap to this video. I do want to point out 2 things before you guys leave. And the first one is, when you shut, our door actually has a welcome home light up here. It turns on when you open the door. So there was this little sensor down here that was rubbing here. So I had to take that off. So a little sacrifice. So now the door closes very easily. And the last thing I want to talk about is where the old stairs were. Lippert offers you the ability to purchase a box that goes in there. So I'll show you one last time kind of how the stairs close very easily. You just rock up here, click into place. But now, here's where the old staircase was. So we've actually removed those old stairs. But if you can get that, want to pick up that box, well, I'll probably do it next spring because we're going to winterize today and the trailer's going away for the winter. So this box area here is a good place to store stuff like your wheel chocks, stuff that you can quickly access. You don't have to maybe jump in the back of your truck. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. So if you haven't done so yet, please remember to hit the subscribe button and then hit the little bell so that it reminds you when we post new videos.